There wasn't anything that was not Jewish about my home, from the food we ate to the language we spoke to the holidays we observed to the tragedy of the Holocaust. We were very focused Jewishly. I mean, because of my mother.
Were there specific ways you celebrated holidays?
No, I think we celebrated them pretty much in a traditional manner. I have to laugh because when I got married, my husband, we had Seder at my house. By then we were living on Miami Beach. I moved here when I was 8 or 9. And our Seder table always had a lot of strangers in it, at it. And my husband used to say, your dad stood on the corner of Pennsylvania and Lincoln Road and rang that bell again. Here are all these people I don't know. Well, we don't have a very large family. Last year there were 59 people at my Seder. So he got used to the idea of when you don't have someplace to go, you come to us. Fortunately, we have children, grandchildren, and sisters-in-law, ex-sisters-in-law, whatever. They all come. This year I'm down to 45. Some of them went up north.